Seeking a reliable and efficient cargo service? Look no further. Express Cargo Online is here to revolutionize your logistics experience. Imagine a world where cargo delivery is not just about moving boxes from point A to point B, but a strategic tool that propels your business growth and impresses your customers. That's the world Express Cargo Online is shaping every day. Our exceptional door-to-door service is designed with your needs in mind. It's about time sensitivity, ensuring your shipments reach their destination not just on time, but ahead of time. In the fast-paced world of business, every second counts, and we understand that more than anyone. But it's not just about speed, we're about security too. With Express Cargo Online, your cargo is our responsibility. We ensure that your packages are well protected and secure during transit, giving you peace of mind. And what about pricing? We believe that top-notch service